The Hellcord started so innocent. Just another quiet NPC car in the herd of normal traffic, with no intention to ever modifying such a vehicle. But then my inner kid kicked in, and remembering all those days when I used to mod all those cars in Midnight Club 3 Dub Edition on the Xbox, made me want to put Underglow on the Hellcord. And that's what sparked the first piece of Hellcord content, even back before it was called the Hellcord, my first TikTok. And after this, I really decided to become a true car guy. So I plastic did my rims and did a simple muff delete on the Honda Accord. Of course that wasn't enough, so I had to cut more parts of my exhaust off. Imagine when you're just driving down the road and then you hear a fucking race car drive by you into this fucking Honda.
It sounds like a fucking VQ.
It does sound like a VQ.
It does, literally. Like a VQ going past you. Like, I know who that is every single time. There's no doubt about that.
In mid to late August, I went to the very iconic parking lot. I did my first burnout in the Hellcord. I revved it high on the grass, and then when it hit the pavement, boom, instant smoke like I'd never seen before. And this was truly the beginning of the end. The next few months entailed such a beating to the Hellcord that there was no way the vehicle could prepare for it, and neither could TikTok. As I began my very early stages of taking over TikTok with my twin turbo V10 from a Lamborghini swap in this Honda Accord, it took the world by storm. No one saw such a thing before, and after this huge growth, I of course had to capitalize on it and become more menacing. But of course, all good things must come to an end, and I blow the engine. But luckily, I kept the V6 before and put it back to the normal stock Honda. And I think the Hellcord name really started this one night. That little shit boxes, that little car in the takeover when we met the Heltima for the first time, and we all started calling the Heltima. That night, I think it's the true origin of Hellcord, because when I made that joke about the Heltima, that gave me the beginning trend of calling all cars Hell something. And then of course, naturally, as having a very devious vehicle such as the Hellcord, it just came over to the name Hellcord. That was a very iconic night, because that was the night that you made the Hellcord name. I don't know if I made the name the same night, but that's where it all started. It's from that night.
I did not know that.
I just thought big thing that led to the name becoming that. To really be on this car, as if Hondas truly didn't break, because I genuinely believed it. Then after a little bit, I decided, let's get back into the engine swaps. Boom, throw a fucking Hellcat engine in that bitch. Got reposting some Instagram page and posting some Facebook group. Actually getting my name out there a little bit. The name Hellcord is no longer some inside joke. People calling their Honda Accords Hellcords, and people know about the Hellcord. But after all this abuse on the car, the transmission blew. And this happened around a week ago. And as of now, the Hellcord is not drivable. And the Hellcord is too much of a legendary vehicle to just let it die. So I will be fixing it. I don't know when, but I will fix it. And if you still don't understand why people are calling this car the Hellcord, well, watch this video on screen right now, and you can see why it has the name Hellcord.